Alphabet A to Z learning. A is for apple. A is for apple. B is for basketball. B is for basketball. C is for cat. C is for cat. D is for doubt. D is for doubt. E is for elephant. E is for elephant. F is for frog. F is for frog. G is for guitar. G is for guitar. H is for house. H is for house. I is for iguana. I is for iguana. J is for jaguar. J is for jaguar. K is for koala. K is for koala. L is for leaf. L is for leaf. M is for moon. M is for moon. N is for newspaper. N is for newspaper. O is for ostrich. O is for ostrich. P is for pumpkin. P is for pumpkin. Q is for quail. Q is for quail. R is for rose. R is for rose. S is for seal. S is for seal. T is for tomato. T is for tomato. U is for umbrella. U is for umbrella. V is for vase. V is for vase. W is for watermelon. W is for watermelon. X is for xylophone. Y is for yarn. Z is for zebra.